So most people solve this question like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then multiply 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now 4 multiply 1 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. First priority is parentheses. Second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, one addition, one multiplication, one division. First we have to solve multiplication division, then we have to solve addition. And also multiplication division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Is equal to 2 plus, now solve this multiplication. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 divide 2. Now one addition and one division. So first we have to solve division, then we have to solve addition. Is equal to 2 plus, now 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Okay.